My name's Anthony Fortiades. I was born in Darwin. I've been here since 1968. Well, the solar industry's had ups and downs with bad installations and poor quality products. I got into solar because I thought it was a great industry to get into, but on that hand I also wanted to be selling premium product, and the honest truth is if you don't love your product, I don't think you can really sell it. I believe it's quality, product, good service. We're a small company, but we do quality work. So we basically try to put forward the best product to our customers. That's the range that we sort of work with the most. We believe that's the best quality product on the market, especially with the warranties that it has and the performance of the product. You might have to pay a little bit more, and what you pay extra is minimal for what you get in return. You're guaranteed to have a system that's going to run for years and years and years. If you work it out, it's a long-term investment with solar. The system's designed to be warranty for 25 years, but a return of about 22% per annum. So if you're looking at over a 4-year period, it's probably a difference of about $20 a week just to step up to a premium quality product. You make more power, the warranty's 25 years across the board, parts and labour. You're going to get the best quality, you've got the best warranty, a 25-year warranty backed on the product itself and also a performance warranty. I get around town, it's not a very big town, so I certainly wouldn't like to be selling bad product around here. Basically, a lot of people just want to know about solar, so we'll go around there and sit down with them and go over the different types of systems, as into the inverter systems. And obviously with the panels, they want to know what sort of the costs of the panels, how long they last, what's the warranties with them, what sort of performance, and what's the bottom dollar, I suppose, how much money they're going to get back per annum, what the saving is. If you want the best, go with the best. That's what we do. Honestly, there's no point in mucking around.